Kaival Cybervac E31 Robot Vacuum, Sweeping and Mopping Robot Vacuum Cleaner with 2200 Pascal suction, smart navigation, 150 minutes runtime, works with Alexa, self-charging, ideal for pet hair, floor and carpets. Cybervac E31 equals sweeping plus mopping. No one likes labor-intensive chores. Why not try a hybrid robot vacuum which combines vacuuming and mopping? With the 600 ml large dust box and 300 ml water tank, Cybervac E31 can easily help you with the chores, so you can enjoy more family time. Enhanced gyroptic smart navigation. Cybervac E31 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is featured with unique gyroptic navigation and the state-of-the-art optical flow sensor, which cleans your home more thoroughly following an efficient zigzag path and improves cleaning efficiency by 30%. 2200 Pascal strong suction and ultra-thin. Cybervac E31 robotic vacuum with 2200 Pa strong suction can easily absorb food crumbs and pet hair on the carpet. With a 2.85 super slim body, the E31 robot vacuum cleaner reaches every corner and narrow area with ease and keeps your floor clean and fresh. 150 minutes runtime and self-charging. With ultra-high 3200 mAh battery capacity, Cybervac E31 robotic